Hey, welcome back to Sage Alpha Garage with me, Shaker. And today we're here with Warren. We're gonna put in a Coolerworx short shifter into the Genesis Coupe. Hopefully throw some shorter shifts and maybe shave a hundredth of a second off my lap at the track. We'll see. Let's jump into it. All right, under the car here. And we're not gonna drop the drive shaft, I don't think. So let's swing you around and have a look at what we're doing. So up in the back here, you got these two little clips, pins that you got to take out on both sides. This one is way up there, can't really see it. So we're going to drop that out, which then in turn takes the bar out that runs up along here to the shifter. So the bar that runs up along here above the drive shaft, and then your shifter is right here. So we'll take some bolts out from the top and see if we can't open it up and see where we're at. All right, so we got the pins removed from the collar underneath, which runs up to the front and mounts on, which holds the shifter all in place on the OEM stock. And now we're gonna take the weight off, take the shifter collar off, and then should drop out after we take the 4 bolts out. Okay, so we've got all the parts out from underneath the car and from inside the car. From underneath the car, you want to take out this, slides off this bracket here, which connects to the front, and the shifter itself drops out through the bottom. And they don't really tell you about this part, but if you have a console, it sits down in here, and you have to take that out as well for the shifter to sit down inside. Now we're gonna get the shifter installed. You have to get a hold of it.
Like, where you want to center it up on you? Or?
Ram through the gears, yeah.
Yep.
So we got the shifter installed and got the set pins all set. And it is definitely going to be a lot shorter. And then you got your collar for reverse still. Very nice tight fit, solid feeling, heavy feeling too. Heavy but light, you know, structurally heavy. And then for on top of the installation, there's not much to it. You got the 4 bolts you got to tighten down, 2 around the collar here, and then you got your set screws for setting your lockout for your reverse. There we have it. The Coolerworx short shifter is installed, and it feels pretty good. I'm looking forward to driving it. Sorry the video wasn't too instructional. Got a little sidetracked while putting it in. My bad. Everything feels really good. The lockouts work really well. You can lock out reverse, 5th and 6th if you want to. I still daily drive this, so I have everything working. But it feels really good. And on the track before, I used to sometimes pass the gate when going down to first, and pass the reverse gate when I'm looking for first. And this one, there's no way to pass the reverse gate without pulling up the collar. Don't mind my PJs, it's the morning time next day. So there's the shifter. Looks really good. Gonna keep this knob for now. The nice thing is it is adjustable forward and back a bit, so you can get it to sit where you rest your arm at. Now let's back into the shop and see how everything feels. super icy out, so let's get to the main road and hopefully we can get there without spinning out. Tires on the back are really good, but the front ones, there's no steering at all until we get to some dry pavement. We're almost up to the road, spinning, spinning, spinning. Dry pavement. Oh, I forgot to take off traction control. Oh yeah, that shifts a lot nicer. Wow, that makes a difference. Sorry, I lost you guys there for a second. A little too much power putting down. But yeah, this shifter's going to be a lot of fun. If you can afford one, I highly recommend it. All right, that was a quick little trip to the next street and back, and we're home. Thanks guys for watching, gals too, I really appreciate it. Appreciate all you guys. Thanks everyone for watching, guys and gals, I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Look forward to hearing your comments about the Coolerworx. If you have one, let me know what you think of it and how you feel about it. And we'll see you next time, whatever maybe. And we'll see you next time at Stage Alpha Garage.